Okay, we have a Haas Vertical Machining Center, model VF2. Serial number 19592, machine was new in 2000. It has a fourth axis capability. Does not have the fourth axis, but it's fourth axis capable. 36 by 14 table, 30-inch X, 16Y, 20Z, 7,500 RPM, Cat 40, 20 ATC, and we're gonna run her for you. It's 1,000 RPM. Gear change to the high, now we're in the high range. How many thousand? 3,000 RPM. 5,000 RPM. Again, the max is 7,500 RPM. Running around. That's the tool change. Great. Great. This machine also does have a chip auger. That's your Z. Again, your 20 inches in the Z, that's your X. 30 inches in the X. And your Y, which is 16 in the Y. Okay. Machine's original paint. It's all operational. Hey, thank you for watching our video.